Hi everybody, in this video I will show you how to make crystal clear gel from aloe vera. Do you know aloe vera? Yes, aloe vera is a plant that have gel which has many uses for our life.
Slowly kisses passing by the river.
Hey look, I have two giant aloe vera here. I bought this in local store here. Maybe you can find at your local store. If you can find this big aloe vera, you can also use the small aloe vera that usually plant on our garden. For the first step is wash it or clean with running or flowing water. After this, I will cut off the base or the bottom of this aloe vera. This process is to remove the sap or the latex that contains poisons or toxin in the skin of this aloe vera. This is this yellowish or brownish. This is the poisons or toxins here. Stir up the aloe vera so that the sap or the latex can completely come out to the bottom that has been cut. This process can be done at least 1 hour. You can also soak in the running water if you want to speed up this process. Here it is. After 30 minutes, the sap of the latex is gradually coming out to the bottom. You look, this is the latex. This is the toxin of the aloe vera that contained in the skin of this plant. Prepare clean water in a container, and then I will skin off this aloe vera to get the gel inside. For the first step, cut off the bottom once again. We still have a mucus or slime, but this is not dangerous because this is not the toxins. You look over there, the brownish, dark brown latex, that is the poisons or toxins. Let's start to make crystal clear gel from aloe vera, but do this very carefully because this is very slippery. The knife can be hurting you. The important thing is you have to have gotten rid of all the skin, nothing left. While cutting aloe vera gel, let's see how important aloe vera is. There are some people who claim that aloe vera contains collagen. That's not true. The truth is, aloe vera can help stimulate collagen production in person's body. So this aloe vera is not contain collagen at all, but only stimulate collagen production in your body. Do you know what collagen is? Collagen is the most common protein found in the human body. Collagen and elastin are also found in the skin. These two proteins work together to form the texture and shape of the skin. Skin with healthy collagen and elastin levels not only look younger but also stronger. So, in Indonesia, this collagen will make you awet muda. Akan tetapi, bagaimana pengaruh kolagen pada orang yang sudah tua? Apakah akan bisa membuat awet muda? Tentu tidak. Kolagen pada orang yang sudah tua itu akan membuat awet juga, tetapi awet tua. Will get this crystal but still have the slime or the mucus. So after this we have to rid off the slime or the mucus by washing with running water or with this clear water or with the clean water. I use this filtering container to separate the crystal from their mucus or slime. I repeat this process maybe for 5 times or 6 times. Maybe you can do more if necessary until the crystal is free from the mucus or the slime. And this is it. This is the crystal clear aloe vera that we gain. This is ready to process to add to your drink or your cocktail.